Hello everyone, welcome to the Baileparts channel. Today I will show you Komatsu engine parts. Komatsu engines are mainly used in heavy construction machinery and mining equipment. 4D95 pistons. Smallest, commonly used on small and medium-sized excavators and loaders. 6D105. Larger, suitable for medium-sized equipment, such as the Komatsu PC200 excavator. 6D155 pistons. Larger and heavier, commonly used on large equipment, such as the D155 bulldozer and W600 loader. Baileparts also provides more Komatsu engine parts, including bearings, piston rings, water pumps, oil pumps, etc., in stock, with fast shipping. Contact us for a quote.